Hey everyone, Tom Parmentier here with MaxHousePrice. We're here in Manassas, Virginia at a project we just started yesterday. Why don't you guys come in and take a look? This townhome is actually in really good shape. We're just going to be doing some cosmetics to really just make this house shine. You can see we've already started some prep work and we got the first coat of paint. So we're putting in a nice fresh coat of paint on all the walls. We're going to be painting the ceilings, all the trim to make this look really nice. As we walk up to the middle level, you can see the carpet's worn, so we're going to be replacing all the carpeting throughout the home. And then we come in here to our family room. We have really nice hardwood floors. They're actually covered right now, so we're not going to be replacing them. But we're just repainting everything in here just to bring the look up, make it really shine. And then if you guys come into the kitchen here, we're going to be doing a good amount of work here. You can see we have these nice oak cabinets, but we're going to be painting and resurfacing them white. We're going to be replacing these countertops, putting in new quartz countertops. We're going to keep this backsplash that we have in here. You can see that the homeowners put in a really nice backsplash. Our appliances are fine, but we just want to bring this up and make it look better. We're going to be painting all of this trim. And again, as we come upstairs, the same thing here. We're going to be replacing all this carpeting, painting everything throughout. We have 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. So we're going to be replacing the flooring here. In the bathroom, we're going to be reglazing the tub and the tile. They're not bad, they just need to be cleaned up a little bit. We're also going to be painting and resurfacing these cabinets to match downstairs, putting in some new fixtures and new lights, and then doing the same thing, just painting everything here. We have the master bath as well. Same thing, we just want to make this look a little bit nicer, just to bring it up to the market so that we can help the sellers get the top dollar. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll share an update here with you in about a week or so, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.